What's up guys, it's Japa Rico here, and a lot of you guys were asking me, hey Japa, you told us that you would tell us about Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, and now Dogecoin. What's going on with the markets? So I'm going to tell you guys, let me show you this nice, awesome view of Hong Kong here that I'm going to share with you guys. Take a look at this. This is awesome. This is just beautiful. Look at the sky. There's even some lights coming out from I don't know where. Maybe it's the reflection. Good. So let's take a look at the markets. Then TradingView. I'm here on my platform tradingview.com. Let's take a look at Dogecoin. And Dogecoin, it's just moving according to previous area, guys. So there was this, if you take a look, let me show you in a way that you guys can take a look at it. So it has already passed the dragon, and there was a bit of a correction here. It failed to go all the way back to the dragon, to the 50 EMA, and it's more likely price will continue to go on this bullish trend for Dogecoin. Okay, that's on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, guys, let me get rid of this. So on the 4-hour chart, guys, you can clearly see that there was a correction back to the 50 EMA, the dragon, which is this blue belt. This blue belt there you're seeing here with two, like the upper band and the lower belt. Upper band and lower band, sorry. So you can see that there was this correction back to the 50 EMA, and after that there's more likely, you can see here this pink volume, guys. So when you look at the chart, the volume bar, you can see here there is this accumulation with pink volume, which means there is notable volume being accumulating on the volume bar. So, and if you take a look here at the chart itself on the price is showing that it has failed to go below. So it has failed to go, let me take a, okay, use a brush. So price has failed to go here. So it didn't do this, right? And price is being accumulating along the 50 EMA. So it's more likely that price from now on will continue on this bullish trend, also on the 4-hour chart. Okay, so let me use the brush. So it's more likely price, you can see I'm using blue now. So can I change this to another color? Okay, maybe not. So it's more likely, but you guys understand, right? So it's more likely from here price will continue on this bullish trend on the 4-hour chart, and the same thing is happening to the daily chart. Now, guys, let's take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, guys, I thought last time I was talking to you guys, I thought that it would price would go back to the 200. There was this small chance that price would accumulate and go back to the 200 EMA somewhere. Oops, not this. Okay. So somewhere around here, it didn't happen. Let me take a look at the 4-hour chart is much easier. So 4-hour chart, and I told you guys last time that there was a chance the price would go, okay, let me, oops, hold on. Yeah, so I told you guys, last time I was talking to you guys on YouTube, on another live, I was telling you guys there was a possibility that price would go all the way back to this yellow dotted line, which is the 200 EMA here, and this other one, which is the 233 EMA, okay, this orange dotted line. But it didn't happen, and after that it continued to go on a bullish movement along the dragon. So there was this accumulation back to the dragon, to the 50 EMA, and after that there was this rejection from the 50 EMA. Okay, and price continued to go up, as you can see here. So it's more likely that on the 4-hour chart price will continue to go on this bullish trend. And how about the daily chart? So on the daily chart, the same thing is happening. You can take a look at this. Price is going along the dragon. So the dragon is here, the 50 EMA, the dragon is here, and price will continue to go on this bullish trend. Okay, so on both Bitcoin and Ethereum, the same thing is happening, guys. Because if you take a look at Ethereum, guys, you can see something that is very similar. So price is, but there's a lot of more accumulation on this top, okay, which doesn't happen to Bitcoin. So Ethereum has a very long, strong accumulation, so a strong resistance, I should say, on this top, okay, along this price, which is about like 3,239, right? And on the 4-hour chart, you can see something that's more or less the same. So price is being accumulating a lot, but price, okay, as you can see, it's still being traded above the dragon. So it's more likely, as I drill here in blue with this blue line, it's more likely that price will continue to go on this. So we are waiting until it can break this previous top. So this top, which is a very long line, area of resistance. So we are waiting if it can break. If it manages to break this resistance, we think that price will continue to go on this bullish trend. Let's take a look again at the daily chart. So on the daily chart, it still has to go. So you will go on this bullish trend until you can break the previous high somewhere around here, which is really high, right? but we are going to wait and see what happens. So we are not going to open new positions on Ethereum, not yet. We're going to wait until we can spot something, a nice opportunity, and we can enter the trade. That's for Ethereum, guys. And how about Cardano? Let's take a look at Cardano. So let's take a look at Cardano and see what's going on here. Well, so for Cardano, guys, I was right, because I told you guys that for Cardano, it wouldn't, on the 4-hour chart, price wouldn't try to go back to the 200 EMA here. I said it wouldn't do that, so I was right. So price didn't go back to the 200 EMA, and it actually continued to go on a bullish move. So price, as you can see, right now is being traded 2.62, right? So it's 2.62, and price will continue on this bullish trend on the 4-hour, oops, here, right? So I believe the price will continue to go on an uptrend on the 4-hour chart. And let's take a look at the daily chart. So the daily chart, guys, as I said on my last video, I told you guys that Cardano would try to make a new high, which it just did. So it just passed the new high. So the previous top was already exceeded by a little bit here, okay? So it made a new high here, and price is more likely will continue on this bullish trend, because already broke the previous high that was somewhere here. So it already broke it and made a new high, right? Very exciting, I think. So it's really exciting, guys. Let me change it back to my camera. So really exciting, guys, because I was right. Like, yeah, I know for Bitcoin and Ethereum, maybe I was not that right, but I told you guys that, okay, at that time, I remember, as I said, there was a small possibility that it would go back to the 200 EMA and would continue on a bullish trend. That didn't happen for Bitcoin and Ethereum, okay? But it happened to Cardano because, okay, what happened to Cardano is that for Cardano, I said price will not go back to the 200 EMA. Why? Because at that time, price already failed to break the dragon, the 50 EMA downwards. So price would be more likely that it would continue on this bullish trend and try to make a new high, which it actually did. So I was right. And I still haven't had time to get my haircut, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. But thanks for watching this video. And do you have any questions to Japa Rico? If you have any questions to Japa Rico, just write your questions here on the comment section below, and I will try to read it. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.